Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save time with Microsoft Office easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save time with Microsoft Office, start by exploring keyboard shortcuts. Using keyboard shortcuts can dramatically speed up your workflow. For example, in Word, press Ctrl and C to copy, and Ctrl and V to paste. Next, utilize the Quick Access toolbar for easy access to frequently used commands. To customize it, click the down arrow on the toolbar and select More Commands. Add the commands you use most often for efficiency. Another time saver is using templates instead of starting from scratch. You can find templates for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in the template gallery. In Excel, use formulas to automate calculations rather than doing them manually. Simply enter the formula in a cell, and it will update automatically when data changes. Take advantage of styles in Word for consistent formatting. Highlight text, and choose a style from the Home tab to apply it quickly. Use the Find and Replace feature to save time editing large documents. Press Ctrl and H to bring up the dialog box, enter what you want to find and replace. For PowerPoint, use the Slide Master to create a uniform design across your presentation. Go to View, then Slide Master to make changes that apply to all slides. Explore the New Ideas feature in Excel for tips and insights on your data. Just click on the Ideas button in the ribbon to get suggestions. You can create notebooks, sections, and pages to keep everything in one place. Use OneDrive to access your files from anywhere and collaborate with others in real time. Finally, always keep your software updated for new features and improved performance. Follow these tips, and you'll find that Microsoft Office can save you significant time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.